50 years ago today, when the torrential rain from Hurricane Agnes pounded the mid-state, 50 Pennsylvanians were killed.
Daniel Hamburg sat down today with one of the river rescue members who helped save lives that day. Daniel joins us now.
Alicia and Valerie, I talked with the last living member of the Harrisburg River Rescue crew, who at the time, he was only 25 years old. He remembers those days vividly. 50 years ago this week, Hurricane Agnes destroyed homes and businesses and left families stranded.
A lot of families couldn't get out, so we took our boats up to them.
Melvin Eichelberger was part of Harrisburg River Rescue.
And we were out for 47 hours patrolling downtown Harrisburg.
I asked him how many people he saved.
I think about 25 or 30 people that needed help. They were actually hollering and crying. And we tried to do the best we can because our boats were full. We had equipment in, we had to call in another boat in.
But not everyone was so lucky.
A couple of them drowned. They tried to wade through the water, and we didn't know about it. They said, well, we can make it. They had 3 children drowned.
He had the grim task of recovering bodies from the water.
That's a sad scene. You know, we were trying to get them out. We couldn't get them. We needed another boat or so to help them to get them into the boat.
After they got back covered in sweat and mud, the crew met President Richard Nixon.
I looked up at him and said, who are you? He said, President Nixon. We were all ragged, dirty, muddy. You know, we told him what was going on.
On a large scale, mitigation efforts have increased exponentially. But what's to be learned for the average Pennsylvanian?
I think the lesson is when people know of a flood coming and don't get out of there. A lot of people didn't listen to us. And there they were, stranded.
While he doesn't engage with the crew as much as he used to, Eichelberger is a life member of Harrisburg River Rescue. In the studio, Daniel Hamburg, ABC 27 News.